I bet you didn't know that the Leaning Tower of Pisa was nearly lost forever. Here's the story of how engineers saved this iconic monument. The Leaning Tower of Pisa, one of the world's most recognizable architectural marvels. But did you know its lean almost led to disaster? Today we delve into the incredible engineering feat that straightened it, without losing its iconic tilt. It all started with unstable soil, clay, sand and shells, beneath a shallow foundation. The tower began to lean even during its 12th century construction. The soil was too soft and couldn't support the weight of the structure. As the construction progressed, the lean became more pronounced, causing concern among the builders and the local community. Early engineers tried fixing it by building taller on one side, resulting in that characteristic curve. Later, adding a concrete foundation and steel cables only made things worse. The additional weight and tension exacerbated the lean, making the tower even more unstable. Over the centuries, various attempts were made to stabilize the tower, but none were successful. The lean continued to increase, and by the 20th century, the situation had become critical. Fast forward to the 1990s, the Torre de Pisa Commission was formed to save the tower. Their solution? Soil extraction. Engineers carefully removed soil from under the north side, drilling inclined holes and extracting small amounts while monitoring every move. The goal wasn't to straighten it completely, but to find a stable angle. This method, known as under-excavation, was a delicate process that required precision and patience. The engineers had to ensure that the removal of soil did not cause sudden shifts or further destabilize the tower. The soil extraction process was complemented by the use of counterweights and temporary supports to balance the tower during the operation. Engineers also installed a sophisticated monitoring system to track the tower's movements in real time. This allowed them to make adjustments as needed and ensure the safety of the structure. The project was a massive undertaking, involving experts from various fields including geotechnical engineering, structural engineering, and archaeology. Terracotta models, clay tools, and a lot of patience. These guys brought their A-game. They even used anchors, cables, and drainage systems to further stabilize the tower and manage the water table. The use of clay models allowed the engineers to simulate different scenarios and plan their actions meticulously. The drainage systems were crucial in preventing water from accumulating around the foundation, which could have further weakened the soil. And the result? They reduced the lean by about 0.5 degrees, making it safer and more stable. The tower straightened by 38 centimeters and continues to straighten gradually. Reopened to the public in 2001, the Leaning Tower of Pisa is now safe for another 300 years. The success of the project was celebrated worldwide, and the engineers received numerous accolades for their innovative approach and dedication. So next time you marvel at its lean, remember the brilliant minds that saved this historical gem. Ingenious, right? The Leaning Tower of Pisa stands as a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. It is not just a symbol of architectural beauty, but also a reminder of the incredible efforts that went into preserving it for future generations. The story of its salvation is a fascinating chapter in the history of engineering, showcasing the power of innovation and collaboration. So the next time you visit, take a moment to appreciate not just the tower's unique tilt, but also the remarkable journey it has undergone. From its troubled beginnings to its near collapse and eventual rescue, the Leaning Tower of Pisa is a story of triumph against the odds. And who knows, maybe it will inspire future generations of engineers to take on challenges that seem impossible. After all, if we can save a leaning tower, what else can we achieve with a bit of creativity and determination?